So welcome friends. This is Indrajit Mukherjee, the founder of StockManiacs.net, and today I'll be discussing on a very new topic. I'll show you how to compare stocks side by side on Zerodha Kite. Actually, this comparing feature is not available elsewhere. On all the brokers terminal it is not available. So you need to have Zerodha Kite for this. Before I start the webinar, just to remind you, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, just hit the subscribe button so that you can get my next video updates instantly. Also, you can join my trading team by opening a trading and demat account under me. To join my team, just simply WhatsApp your name, phone number and email ID and send it to +91 96743 21856. So let us come to the topic. Today's topic is how to compare stocks side by side, and we will use Zerodha Kite for that. Before I go into the topic, I am assuming that you are already having Zerodha Kite. If you do not have the Kite platform, you can get Zerodha Kite instantly. Just copy this link bit.ly/getzerodha bit.ly/getzerodha. Just copy this link. Do not worry, I'll leave the link for you in the description of the video. So just copy this link, open up a browser window, paste this link bit.ly/getzerodha. So once you open this link, you will be redirect to the account opening page of Zerodha. Simply put your name, email ID and phone number and click on submit, and you will get a call from the Zerodha representatives. Instantly they will help you in opening up the account. The account opening process is very simple. It can take only a day or 2 days, and you can get Zerodha Kite instantly. So once you have Zerodha Kite with you, this is the Zerodha Kite platform. The Nifty 50 chart is open here. You can open up any other charts if you like. So I have opened the Nifty 50 chart. So this is Nifty 50's one-day chart. This is a candlestick chart. So for comparing feature, let us change the candlestick chart to line chart. So this is Nifty 50's line chart. Now I'll compare this Nifty 50 with another symbol. So for that, there are 3 dots in the right side of the symbol name. Beside the Nifty 50 name, there are 3 dots. Just click on that and you will get the compare option. So you can click on compare. So you need to add a symbol. Remember, for comparing, the symbol must be present in your market watch already. So suppose I'll be comparing Nifty with Bank Nifty. I am writing Nifty, so the other indices are coming. So Nifty Bank. I'll compare Nifty 50 with Nifty Bank. You can see this white chart. White chart is Nifty 50 and the green chart is of Bank Nifty. So this is, you can compare the Nifty 50 and any other charts, any two securities side by side on Zerodha Kite. So this is the Bank Nifty chart is present. You can click on the cross button to delete the comparing chart. Now I'll compare Nifty 50 with USD INR or the dollar rupee to show you a correlation between the Nifty 50 and the dollar rupee. So click on the compare and add USD INR. You can see the USD INR chart is added, and there is a simple, very nice correlation between USD INR and Nifty. You can see whenever the USD INR is on peak, the Nifty is at the bottom. The USD INR is at peak and Nifty is at the bottom. USD INR is at the peak, Nifty is at the bottom. So this is the correlation between USD INR and Nifty. They actually runs exactly inversely proportional. They are actually inversely proportional and they are running inversely. So whenever USD INR is peaking, Nifty is on the downside and vice versa. Whenever Nifty is on the upside, USD INR is on the downside. So you can actually trade Nifty on the basis of USD INR also. So this is a correlation kind of chart. You can trade Nifty on the basis of USD INR. Whenever USD INR is picking up, you can short sell Nifty, and whenever USD INR is falling, you can buy Nifty. So the market actually strengthens whenever the dollar rupee actually that becomes weak, and the market actually goes down when the dollar rupee actually becomes stronger. So this is the correlation chart of USD INR and Nifty. Now I'll show you how you can do a pair trading kind of thing. Suppose we'll open up Nifty and Bank Nifty. So here in the compare, let us go to compare and let us open Nifty Bank Nifty chart. See, whenever the Bank Nifty line crosses the Nifty line, that means the Bank Nifty is more stronger than Nifty. So this is how you can do a pair trading. Whenever you see the Bank Nifty line is crossing Nifty, you can do a pair trading. You can simply buy Bank Nifty and short Nifty, because Bank Nifty is the stronger part and Nifty is the weaker part. Okay, so here you are hedged. You are not playing directional, rather you are buying Bank Nifty and shorting Nifty, because you are buying the stronger pair, you are shorting the weaker pair. And here once again you can see the Bank Nifty is crossing below the Nifty line. That means now the Nifty is stronger and the Bank Nifty is weaker. So cover shorts in Nifty and cover longs in Bank Nifty, and now go long in Nifty and go short in Bank Nifty. Whenever the market will fall, the Bank Nifty will fall more, and whenever the market will rise, the Nifty will rise more. So this is how you can do a pair trading. So friends, I have shown you how you can compare stocks side by side on Zerodha Kite. Similarly, same thing you can do for any stocks from any market, but this feature is currently available only on Zerodha Kite. So just I'll tell you the advantages of comparing stocks side by side. Number one advantage is the getting idea of technicals of both the stocks or security, and number two is pair trading. I have already shown you the two advantages of comparing stocks. So friends, I have completed my webinar. I have shown you how you can compare stocks side by side. If you have liked my webinar, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just hit the subscribe button so that you can get my next video updates instantly. Also, you can join my trading team. To join my trading team, simply WhatsApp me your name, phone number and email ID and send it to +91 96743 21856. So thanks a lot friends for watching this webinar. I wish you loads of luck, and let me come back to you very shortly with my new update, with my new idea. Till then, bye bye.